Why would you spend $60 on watercolor paint when the exact same 6 tubes cost $45 somewhere else? I compared prices on Amazon and Blick for every supply you'll need. I'll show you where to get the best deal on each item for a complete setup under $100. Paper is the most important part of your setup. You need 100% cotton, not student grade wood pulp, also known as cellulose paper. You can get this on Amazon for the best price. This Meeden watercolor block is a great choice for beginners. It's gummed on the sides, so the paper is tacked in place while you're working, reducing buckling and warping while you're painting. It comes with a protective cover, and all you have to do is remove it with a palette knife. Now it's ready to go. Now I'm going to test this paper in comparison to arches side by side. I can't tell a difference. You can safely buy Meeden for a fraction of the cost of arches. If you want to take a deep dive on why 100% cotton paper is a game changer for watercolor, look for my video where I compare the good stuff next to the cheap stuff side by side. For the best quality per dollar, you need a basic set of professional tube paints from Blick.com. The pigment load in a professional paint tube is so much higher than a cheap pan set. This means you use less paint and you get more vibrant color, making your tubes last for months. It's more economical. And don't forget your watercolor palette. The paints are going to dry anyway, so I recommend this super inexpensive palette. I use this all the time, and you can get them from Blick in any quantity you want. You need 3 brushes to tackle about any subject in watercolor. You want a large brush for washes and other large areas, then a medium-sized brush to handle those smaller areas, and finally a detail brush. You can get these as a set for about $17 on Amazon. 9 brushes are in the set. I tested a number of cheap brushes and found some that actually work. Yes, the high-end Kolinsky sable brushes are incredible. I have some, I love them, but as a beginner, you do not need them. The Famui sable brushes I found are fine. They hold water well enough and they keep their point, which is crucial. Plus, they will snap back, unlike cheap brushes. What did I learn from my comparison shopping? In third place, if you only shop at Blick, you'll come to $131.39. That's with free shipping. In second place, we have Amazon only. At $117.72, you won't have to pay shipping even if you don't have a Prime membership. And in first place is both vendors, coming in at $97. Now you will have to pay shipping with Blick, but we are still under budget. And if you want to really be economical, then consider buying 15 milliliter tubes of paint, which is 3 times the amount of paint, for only $18 more for all 6 tubes. This is by far the best deal of all. If you're ready to become a confident watercolor artist in 90 days, consider joining my school community, paintingwithpeggy.com.